how do we, again, harness the vast positive potential of AI while curbing against the harms. But I hate for a conversation about workers to always feel like it's the anti-technology conversation. I don't think that's where we all are. So we talked about government. What is it that you think that industry could do that would help to bring about this world that I think we've all implied and saying that if we want technology to help create a more equitable world, a more fair world, a place where we don't leave people behind but everybody gets to benefit, what is it that you would like to see from industry to make that happen?
I would say that we have to be intentional, and if we're not very intentional in applying an equity lens to the development of these tools across industries, whether that's in healthcare from a patient-facing standpoint, or tools that are supporting sort of what folks are doing in a particular workflow, we will make things worse. We will exacerbate biases, we will exacerbate disparities, whether it's healthcare disparities or not. And so the AMA has been very, very aggressive in trying to promote that equity lens framework from an innovation standpoint. We have a set of coalitions across industries that are trying to sort of make that happen, but I think that that's something that is transferable across industries.
Just say one more sentence about equity, what you mean by that. Equity for who, equity in what way?
Yeah, so making sure that products and technologies are designed for all communities, that they're designed from people from those communities for those communities. If you look at just the venture capital dollars that are directed by people of color, it is a fraction of the people of color in this nation. We need to fix that. We need to make sure that we have tools and products and services that work for all people. And I could give you a very easy example of pulse oximeters. And folks know pulse oximeters are incredibly important tools. They're now used in consumer applications increasingly. There's a whole bunch of them across the way and downstairs. There is a problem around bias in pulse oximetry. We've known about this problem, which is that they overestimate oxygen level in people with dark skin tones. We've known about this problem for 30 years. It wasn't until the pandemic, and it was reported in journals that people were getting mistriaged. People were not going to the ICU. They were not getting oxygen. People of color, because of a calibration problem with this technology that we all assume works, has a problem. So we need to make sure that we don't allow that to happen, whether it's an AI product or any other medical device.